The need for bookkeeping testing stems from the critical nature of accurate financial record keeping for any business. It serves several vital purposes, mainly related to assessing and validating competency. Used in business bookkeeping, testing in business serves several important educational and preparatory functions. 1. Ensuring accuracy and integrity. Bookkeeping is the foundation of a company's financial health. Testing ensures that the person handling these records, whether an employee or a service provider, has the necessary skills to record transactions accurately, maintain the general ledger, perform reconciliations, and prepare correct financial statements. Errors in bookkeeping can lead to poor decision-making, compliance issues, and even legal or financial penalties. 2. Standardized hiring and selection. For employers, testing provides a standardized, objective measure to compare candidates for bookkeeping roles. Since many people may claim bookkeeping experience, a proficiency test helps identify those with the actual, required knowledge in accounting principles, software usage, and financial terminology. This helps in hiring staff who can hit the ground running. 3. Validation of skills certification. For bookkeepers themselves, passing rigorous tests leads to professional certification like a certified bookkeeper or CPA. This testing process validates their understanding of best practices, regulatory compliance, and complex topics like payroll and adjustments. Certification gives them a competitive edge, builds credibility with employers' clients, and often leads to higher earning potential. 4. Identifying training needs. Testing can be used not just for hiring but also for internal staff development. Assessing current employees can reveal gaps in knowledge in areas such as new software or updated tax regulations, allowing the business to target specific training where it is most needed. 5. Compliance and risk mitigation. Accurate records are necessary to meet legal and tax regulations. Testing ensures that the bookkeeper understands compliance requirements, which mitigates the risk of fines or issues during an audit by providing a documented audit trail based on correct records. In essence, bookkeeping testing is necessary because accuracy matters in finance. It is the mechanism used to ensure that the individuals responsible for a business's most sensitive data possess the required skills and knowledge.